Hey everybody, my name is Brittany Ray, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my wash and goes, and I'm going to be doing the wash and go with the main choice gel, and it's the do it from the culture. If you didn't get it, pause the rewind and think about it. I don't know. Let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the finished product while it's wet. I think it looks great, and tomorrow I'm gonna let y'all see it while it's dry. I'm gonna let this dry overnight. All right. Okay, so this is the final look. Let me get a close up. Look at that definition. Yes. All right. All right. So now I'm going to be talking about the product, right? So it's infused with biotin. And it's infused also with vitamin A, C, D, and E. I'm telling y'all, this is the stuff, okay? It's a little expensive, but it's worth it. I'm telling you, it's worth it. And it's infused with black charcoal and black cumin. Black cumin is like a plant. It just gives my hair definition. Like, it tames the frizz. Like, I see a little frizz, but that's only because when I was stretching it out, it gave a little frizz. But, I'm cool with the little frizz. I don't mind a little frizz. But it also leaves my hair with shine, softens, moisturizes, you know what I'm saying? It do all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? Y'all better get with it, because seriously, this stuff is amazing. For my edges, I use my this is a big edge control container. I'm just saying, this is like $12, like $12.99, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna look and see. It's gonna be in the description box. Like, this is amazing. This stuff is good, and it's like honey and ginger. Both of these products are a match made in heaven, and they don't flake at all. Maximum hold. Do I need to say more? I'm just saying, this stuff do a lot. You know what I'm saying? Alright, that concludes this video. I hope you guys like it. If you did, thumbs up and subscribe, and also follow me on social media. And I'm going to also put these products in the description box. And yeah, thank you for watching.